we're going to take a quick look at adding customers in Transact. You go to AR, customer file, new customer. We are going to use the wizard to add the customer, so we'll say yes. Here for the customer ID, you want to use something that is easily recognizable. Maybe if it's a person, you can use the last letters, the first few letters of the last name. We're going to do Garrett Gilkey Lawn Care, so we're going to make it this, and let's fill these in. And once you have these fields filled in, hit next, put in the address, and next. Now we'll enter phone numbers, and it's generally a good idea to put in, a main line if they have a landline, and cell phone number. We want to enter an email address so that that person can receive emailed statements and or invoices. By default here on the sales tax information, this will be set to customer sales tax. If this customer was a different type of tax customer, we could search through here, for example, non-tax customer. Maybe they were a church, you could enter their tax ID here. And they have different categories that are set up. And those are defined in the support files is where you would set that up. But we're just going to say this is a customer sales tax. So we'll hit next. On this page, we have our terms, and these defaults are set up in company setup, and the terms here are set up in support files. So we're going to say for this customer, we're going to do net 10. You can assign the credit limit here by default. We have 500. We're going to say 5,000. Finance charge of 1.5%. And then you can add the rest of these categories here, AR account, sales code, or sales discount, but we're going to leave it as is just to keep it moving. You can also change the pricing if you have your column pricing set up, and that will be covered in another video, but you could do the catalog cost, average cost, last cost, etc. But we're going to say retail for this customer. Again, with the type and industry, you can add those if you would like. You can set their statement type here. You can select if they get their invoice detail included or not. And then here is also where you can go ahead and indicate, yes, they want email statements and they want emailed invoices. You can display the comment at the end of the sale. And then in this category for notes, this is something that your cashiers will see when they pull the customer up, but the customer themselves will not view. So keep that in mind. And that's it. So we'll say save, and we'll be presented here with this. And in this particular setup, we have by default no account charge. We're going to deselect that so that we can charge to this account, and this account is ready to go.